Isa sa mga uso ng mga gadgets ngayon is mga online learning na tablets. And I have here is the ITEL Vista 11, and this tablet can let you learn online at just a very affordable price. Plus, meron pa siyang 4G. Magugulat ka na lang sa kanyang presyo once I reveal it to you. So, pag-usapan muna natin. Now, ito si ITEL Vista Tab 11 is more focused on the online learning. So, sa mga education. So, AI learning ang sabi niya dito. So, pag binuksan natin, you'll see the Vista Tab 11 nandito. Itabi ko muna siya. And may kasama pa siya isang clip na pwede mo ilagay sa tablet pang base na ng mga text na nasa papel mo, and it can even read it out loud for you. A leather looking like case, pero hindi siya leather. It's more of a plastic case, pero durable. You have your warranty policy, charging brick na 10 watts, and isang A to C cable. Plus, may SIM ejector tool pa siya kasi 4G naman siya. Tara, buksan natin. Uy, not bad looking tong tablet na ito, Tingnan nyo guys, magugulat kayo sa presyo na ito. Ang ITEL Vista Tab 11 na may 4GB of RAM and 128GB of storage will be priced at $7,999. But sa early bird price guys, magugulat kayo sa presyo. $3,999 lang siya. Grabe guys, so isipin mo tablet like this one, tapos may 4G na, tapos this $3,999. Hurry guys, click mo link on the description box below or just simply click yung YouTube shopping link na biglang lilitaw sa inyong screen para makakuha kayo ng promo price nito and iwas na rin tayo ng scam. Now, one of the first things na napansin ko dito sa kanya is looking quite good itong tablet na ito. And yung likod niya, mukha siyang brushed aluminum finish, though this is just plastic. Pero maganda yung itsura niya pagdating sa finishing. Hindi siya mukhang chichipipay. And one thing na napansin ko sa ilalim is just the charging port na Type-C. Wala yung speaker grills niya dahil nakatago siya dito on this side and on the other side. And by the way, this is 4G powered, so you can put isang 4G na SIM plus isang micro SD na expansion. So personally, I've tried Globe, Smart dito, lahat walang problema magsagap dito. Lahat naman sila walang problema sumagap ng signal. Basta 4G signal. Don't expect to get a 5G signal kasi 4G support lang to. Downloading, uploading dito, wala kang maging problema. Just don't expect it to be too fast. Pero pagdating sa browsing experience, okay naman siya. Now, probably one thing na medyo hindi ko nagustuhan sa kanya is nandito ang kanyang camera module. Normally, pag tablet, I expect it to be here para medyo mas maganda. So, kung mag-video conferencing ka, use it like this, medyo mahirap naman mag-video conferencing using a tablet, using it like this. Of course, that's just my personal experience. Now, kung gusto mo malaman ng full specs na itong tablet na ito na. Now, in terms of processing speed, wala kang maging problema dito sa tablet na ito. It can give you everything, lahat ng gusto mong gawin dito, na multitasking, wala kang maging problema. Dahil this one is being powered by the Unisoc na T615, wala namang problema ang performance nito. In fact, sa Antutu Benchmark version 11, nakakuha pa siya ng almost 400,000 na Antutu Benchmark score. And kung gusto mo makita ibang benchmark score, ito na. Now, isa sa pinagmamalaki ni ITEL dito on this tablet is yung kanyang AI na learning tools. Dahil meron siyang pre-install dito na app to let your kids learn. Meron siyang mga app for K-12, pang elementary, pang high school, and you learn a lot of things dito. Pagdating sa high school, ang dami mong pwedeng mapanood dito. From geometry, to mathematics, to science, to physics, lahat nandito lang. All you need to do is just papanoorin mo lang siya dito para ka lang nag-online learning class. And another thing dito is pwede ka mag-swift ng book to screen. Meaning, pwede mo gamitin ito tablet na ito to read books. Parang Kindle. Ito guys, tinan nyo. Magbabasa ka ng mga e-books dito. Okay na okay siya, no? I've been reading some books dito, novels dito, and okay na okay siya. Sabi ko, not bad Itong feature na meron ni Vista Tab 11, this is very helpful, lalo sa mga kids na kailangan nila magbasa ng kanyang homework. Pwede mong gawin dito on this tablet. And it saves a lot of paper kasi hindi mo na kailangan i-print. Dito mo na lang basahin. Be eco-friendly. Now, one of the things na gustong-gusto ko rin dito sa kanya is quite big ang kanyang battery. 6,000 mAh, pero medyo slow lang siya mag-charge at 10 watts. Though tinry ko naman gamitan ng mga gun charger ni Ugreen like 65 watts, talagang slow pa rin siya. Feeling ko the most na kaya na intake, siguro 18 watts ang pinaka-most. Kaya hindi mo ramdam na mag-charge siya na mabilis. Pero you can always buy this one to backup. Ugreen 65 watts. Link on the description. Now, nung tinry ko naman gamitin ito on a whole day basis, just reading some books, watching some videos, and doing some social media dito, walang problema, one whole day. Okay na okay rin naman tong tablet nito dahil matipid siya sa battery. And nakakuha rin ako ng 9 hours and 7 minutes na screen on time dito sa tablet na ito. Now, in terms of screen, okay rin siya. It has a 10-inch na screen. And by the way, it's an IPS LCD, hindi siya AMOLED ha. But the good news dito, pwede ka manood ng HD Plus na video, meaning 1080p na video, hindi 720p ha. Good job, di ba? For this price point, makakanood ka ng 1080p. For me, solid. And if you're browsing naman dito on social media, okay, I would say na not bad kasi it can let you browse freely dito. Scroll ka lang ng scroll and you get a big good screen dito. And if you're reading books and if you're watching your educational video, walang problema dito, lalo para sa inyong kids. Pinaka-importante dito sa kanya is meron siyang reading and night mode dito on this tablet, giving you better eye protection if you're browsing dito, lalo sa mga homeworks, sa mga novels na kailangan mo basahin para sa book report, walang problema. This can protect your eyes. But still best for me if you can wear a anti-Blu-ray na glasses. Since meron siyang speaker dito and on the other side, check lang natin kung gaano kalakas ang kanyang sounds. Actually, for me, not bad ang kanyang sound. I was able to watch several videos dito, lalo na yung mga latest news about the flood control project, and nakikinig lang ako sa mga balita. Sinasagad ko lang ang loudspeaker and I can hear it clearly. Okay na okay ang kanyang loudspeaker. Now, I did try to play 2 games dito kahit papaano, Call of Duty Mobile and Honor of Kings. Now, both of these games can let you game smoothly. Basta just set the graphical settings to a little bit lower, medium or low, you can play it definitely smoother. Though, medyo magsasacrifice ko yung graphics, pero honestly, you can get a better gaming experience dito. Trust me, kasi yung naglalaro ko dito, the touch response was good, malaki naman screen, so okay. Though medyo mapapagod ang kamay mo sa kakahawak, kasi hindi naman siya ganun kagaan. So, mga ngalay ka pag matagal mong hawak ng tablet for gaming. Pero overall experience pagdating sa gaming dito, PUBG, Call of Duty Mobile, ML, Honor of Kings, wala kang maging problema dito. Basta don't set it too high sa graphical settings. Now, pagdating naman sa kanyang camera performance, I did try to get some shots on outdoor, though normally I wouldn't do it using a tablet, pero just for demonstration purpose, pakita ko lang sa inyo. And some of these shots, no, I would say na tama lang. Though there are times na medyo overexposed na mumuti sila, and there are times na medyo nahirapan ako din mag-focus kasi kailangan mo talagang tultukin yung focus point mo kung saan mo gusto i-focus yung photo mo bago siya makapag-focus na maayos. Pero pag nag-focus naman siya, normally makakuha ka ng some decent shots dito sa kanya. And if you bring it indoors, there are times na makakuha ka ng medyo mga soft na photos dito sa kanya. Just don't expect too much dito sa kanya. Siguro, all I can say is that, let's say, may gustong kayo submit sa teacher mo, pipicturean mo lang, isubmit mo, just a low-res photo, kayang-kaya naman itong camera na ito. And sa kanyang front-facing camera, also don't expect too much dahil pagdating sa outdoor, it can get you some decent shot, pero pagdating sa indoor, medyo poor siya kasi magiging sobrang soft na rin siya. And here are some sample videos using the front and rear camera from the ITEL Vista Tab 11. Now, right now guys, try lang natin yung front-facing camera. Kunwari, nagkaroon ako ng video conferencing dito. Here goes. Guys, this is the ITEL Vista Tab 11. So, one of the things na medyo nahirapan ako dito sa kanya is that yung kanyang camera is nandyan sa side. Wala sa taas. So, I would siguro, hopefully sa next Vista Tab nila, ilagay nila dyan sa top, sa side para hindi tayo mahirapan ma-video conferencing just like this one. So, I'm forced to look at the left para kunwari tumitingin sa inyo. Unlike sa ibang tablet na nakatingin sa taas, parang nakatingin ka na rin sa screen. Kamusta naman quality? Let me know in the comments. So yun guys, nakita nyo na yung performance ng ITEL Vista Tab 11. Honestly, for just $3,999, hindi katalo dito sa tablet na ito. Dahil it has 4G and it has everything that you need dito, mga learning para sa inyong kids. Pwede mo pang gamitin ito as a kids tablet dahil meron siyang parental control din inside. Overall, kung gusto mo pang browsing lang, pang SOCMED, and pang learning sa inyong kids, this is definitely a tablet na worth considering at this price point, si ITEL Vista Tab 11. Now, if you're interested to know kung saan nyo pwede mabili ito, I'll post the link on the description box below. And if you know anyone na naghanap ng tablet just like this one, na budgeted, feel free to share this video to them. And of course, ina-encourage ko kayo mag-like, subscribe dito sa aking channel so you don't miss out any good video just like this one. So paano yan? Hanggang dito muna ako and I'll see you on my next video. Peace out. And so, ako para si Richmond and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up? Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.